Hi, Lisa Sacchetti from the Renaissance Network. Today, we're going to be discussing 4 tips to building a world-class EdTech sales team. First of all, evaluate your current talent. Conduct a gap analysis for the skills that you have in your current business and what you're going to need in the future. That way, you know who you need to bring on board. Number 2, look for understanding of the fast-changing education sales market. Salespeople who understand the multi-stakeholder model in education will be better equipped and more successful. Their network should include state officials, superintendents, district administrators, and technology leaders. Number 3, consider a candidate's ability to sell to clients in multiple states. You need skilled sales leaders and reps who understand how EdTech is viewed, funded, and approached in your present model and in new target markets. Number 4, prioritize building the right sales structure. Evaluate the potential pros and cons of using a centralized versus decentralized structure, adopting an assembly line model or an island type model where each salesperson is on their own to manage all of the tasks in the sales cycle. As always, feel free to contact us at ren-network.com to help you build a world-class sales team.